Hello students, this is your English teacher Mrs. Aisha. Today we are going to look into a grammar topic, reported speech. There are two ways of reporting what someone else has said. One is direct speech and the other is indirect speech or reported speech. Let us go with the first one, that is direct speech. In this, the exact words of the speaker are quoted. For example, Seema said, I don't want to attend the party. Second one, that is indirect or reported speech. In this, a second speaker uses his or her own words to communicate what the first or original speaker has said. This does not include the original speaker's words, but still gives complete and correct information. For example, Seema said that she didn't want to attend the party. Let us go through the general rules to change from direct to reported speech. First one, addition of a word that introduces the reported speech. For example, that, where, why, if, whether, etc. Second one, there will be change in verb tense. That is, simple present becomes simple past, present continuous becomes past continuous, simple past becomes past perfect, present perfect becomes past perfect. Change in pronouns. This is the third one. I is replaced with he or she, me is replaced with him or her, my is replaced with his or her, we is replaced with they, us is replaced with them, our is replaced with their. Let's go into the fourth rule, change in modals. May, if it's a possibility, then it is replaced with might. May, if it's a permission, then it is replaced with could. Can is replaced with could. Will is replaced with would. Must is replaced with had to. Fifth rule, change in demonstrative pronouns. This becomes that. These becomes those. Let us look into the sixth rule, that is change in time signifiers. Now is replaced with then. Here is replaced with there. Ago is replaced with before. Today is replaced with that day. Tomorrow is replaced with the next day. Yesterday is replaced with the day before. Last evening is replaced with the evening before. Now the seventh rule. The verb tense need not change in the statements which express a universal truth. So we are having an example over here. First, that is the direct speech. The teacher said, the earth goes around the sun. Reported speech. The teacher said that the earth goes around the sun. Here, there is no change in the statement. That is the verb tense, as it's a universal truth. Now let's get into the applications of these rules. Remember, tense changes in reported speech. As an example, she eats dinner. This is something she does every day. So if I wanted to report or write down this, I would use reported speech. So she eats dinner. This is present simple. The verb eats changes to past simple ate. So present simple verb will change to past simple. I would say, she said that she ate dinner. Now let us go to the second one. If I have a present continuous example, this means something the person is doing now. For example, he is painting. So he is an artist. He is painting. We have to change this to past continuous. So if we have is painting, all we have to do to make this past continuous is change it to was painting. Present continuous to past continuous. The only thing that changes is the verb. Is changes to was. Next example is of present perfect. They have had a shower. So if we wanted to report this or write this down, we would say they said they had had a shower. Here present perfect have had changes to past perfect had, that is had plus past participle. So in reported speech, they said they had had a shower. The next example for past simple is he took my photo. In this sentence, your verb is took. This is past simple that changes to past perfect had taken. So we are going to change this to he said that he had taken my photo. Let's take an example for the past perfect. Fifth one, they had had a dog. The sentence remains the same as it is already in past perfect form. So we can say they said they had had a dog. Now if you go through this slide carefully, we find that present perfect and past simple changes to past perfect and past perfect remains as it is. In this slide, we have the examples of future tenses. She will go. This is simple future. In reported speech, we say she said she would go. Will changes to would. Next example, he will be using the car next Friday. This future continuous. In reported speech, he said that he would be using the car next Friday. This is all about how we can understand reported speech. It will be easy if we remember these rules of changing the tenses. This brings us to the end of the topic on reported speech. Have a good time.